If you've ever run out of space in Google Drive and wanted a quick way to find the biggest files, this video is for you. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sort Google Drive by file size so you can instantly see which files are using the most storage. This is super useful if you want to clean up old uploads, delete large files you no longer need, or simply free up space fast. Before we begin, if you find this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open Google Drive in your web browser and sign into the account you want to check. Once you're inside Google Drive, look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see several options like My Drive, Shared with Me, Recent, Starred, and Storage. To sort your files by size, click on Storage. When you click Storage, Google Drive will automatically organize your files so the largest ones appear first. This is the fastest way to find what's taking up the most space in your account. If your goal is to free up storage, this view is incredibly helpful because it puts the biggest files right at the top without you needing to search manually. Now, depending on your view and layout, you may also see a header or column related to storage usage. If you do, you can click the Storage Used column header to change the sort order. This lets you toggle between largest first and smallest first. So if you want to see the biggest files at the top, make sure the sort is set the right way. And if you want to review the smaller files instead, just click again to switch the order. This is especially useful if your drive is packed with videos, large documents, backups, images, or old project files. Sorting by size helps you quickly identify files that you can delete, move to another location, or download and store elsewhere. It saves a lot of time compared to opening files one by one and guessing which ones are taking up space. If you're managing a shared Google account or a work drive, this feature can also help you understand storage usage much more clearly. You can quickly see which items are the largest and make smarter decisions about what to keep. And if you're close to your storage limit, this is one of the first things you should do before upgrading your plan. Just remember, Google Drive's storage view is the key here. Open Drive, click Storage, and let the system sort everything for you. If needed, click the Storage column header to toggle the order. That's all it takes to sort Google Drive by file size. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.